Welcome to another Fantastic Worlds of Coca video, showing you another pack opening for Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG Wing Raiders. So let's get on. 3 booster packs, 9 cards each. Here we go. Crane, Cairn Gorgon, Antiluminescent Knight, Raid Raptor, Mimicry Lanius, Raid Raptor, Vanishing Lanius, Gem Knight Pearl, Raid Raptor, Last Strix, Rank Up, Magic Astral Force, Rank Up, Magic Doom Double Force, and Booby Trap E. Next pack. We've got a Needlebug Nest, Call of the Haunted, Reinforcement of the Army, Rank Up Magic Astral Force, Super Contour Mech Sword, Magnus Slayer, Zubava General, Forbidden Chalice, Super Contour Mech Beast Rampulse, and the Phantom Knights of Fragile Armor. Lastly, Raid Raptor, Sharp Lanius, Rank Up Magic Astral Force again, Zubava General, Bottomless Trap Hole, Needlebug Nest, Raid Raptor Vanishing Lanius, a lot of repeats here, Call of the Haunted, Super Contour Mech Ship Magna Carrier, and Rank Up Magic Soul Shave Force. There we have that. Yu-Gi-Oh! Wing Raiders. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more.